So if you love pasta, you'll love this vegan, high protein, no chicken Alfredo. I made it using no oil, no wheat, and no refined sugar. And it's still full of flavor. You'll love it. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. All right, so let's discuss the things we're going to use to make this delicious, no chicken Alfredo pasta. You're going to love this. Now, for the pasta, when I buy a pasta, it's important to me that it's organic and 1 or 2 ingredients at the most. Now, this is organic edamame and mung bean pasta, 2 very health-promoting beans that are super high in protein. In fact, this pasta is 42 grams of protein per serving. Vegan protein, that's an excellent amount of protein for 1 serving. Now, you could use lentil pasta. If you have a favorite pasta that you like, you could sub that for this pasta. Now, a lot of times people will ask me what brand of pastas I use. If you get my app, I have lots of videos discussing pivotal brands for the best choices on things like chocolate, nutritional yeast, oats, and pastas, and several others. So you can grab the app, hveating.com. For the sauce, we're going to use a base of navy beans, another very healthy bean that's also very high in protein. We're going to use some hemp seeds, another great protein source, some coconut aminos, some lemon juice, some garlic cloves, some Italian seasoning, crushed red pepper, and then a little bit of water. To replace the meat in this dish, we're going to use lion's mane mushroom, which is one of my favorite meat replacers because it has an excellent texture. Also happens to be very health promoting, very good for cognitive function and just overall health. So this is what we're going to use now to season them, to make them taste authentic. We're going to use some coconut aminos, some onion and garlic granules, some smoked paprika, some oregano, and some crushed black pepper. So these are the ingredients we're going to use for this whole dish. Let's start putting it together. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is get my lion's mane on the grill and get those cooked.
So the best process for cooking lion's mane and some other mushrooms is using this pressing technique. Now this can be done with a burger press like I'm doing here, or you can just use a heavy pan. The idea is to compress the mushrooms to get all the excess water out. Now this method creates a denser texture, which is perfect when using mushrooms as a meat replacer in dishes like this. Now once almost all of the water is cooked off, it's time to make the seasoning mixture by combining the coconut aminos and the spices. Then it's time to brush the mixture onto the lion's mane and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Now you'll want to repeat this on both sides to get all the flavor on your mushrooms. Now once they're done, it's time to let them sit for a couple of minutes and then cut them into strips. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below.
Okay, so now we've got our lion's mane cooked. I've got the pasta cooking right now. The next thing to do is to put together the sauce and then combine it all together.
Okay, making the sauce is really simple. I'm just adding my beans, hemp seeds, seasonings, coconut aminos, and water to the blender. I'm going to blend it till it's smooth and then transfer it back to my pan where I can heat it up, and it's that simple.
All right, so I've added my sauce to the pan, but when I added it, it looks a little too thick. So I'm going to whisk in a little bit of water. And that's part of the approach of cooking. You want to be intuitive. Some things you just look at and you just intuitively know it needs more or less. So we're going to add more.
So once I get the sauce to the consistency that I want, I'm going to add my high protein pasta noodles and get them coated in the sauce. Then it's time to plate the pasta and top it with our seasoned lion's mane.
All right, so as you can see, this pasta looks beautiful and delicious, and I'm going to give it a try right now. That's good pasta. All right, if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipes, look below the video and tap on the word more and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. Tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.